This is a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to earn free Bitcoin as a complete beginner by watching ads in 2024. This method is available worldwide, and you only need a phone or computer and an internet connection to make a free $500 worth of Bitcoin with the two incredible websites that I'm about to take you through. I want to make sure that you have the right expectations before getting into this. You're not going to become a crypto millionaire overnight using the websites that I'll be showing you, but you will definitely get your foot into the door of the crypto world and be able to make some super easy crypto money. Let's get into it. Website 1, TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a get-paid-to site that you can join from pretty much any country. They have a whole section called Content, where you can watch ads and videos and get paid in Bitcoin. Let me take you through the step-by-step process. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to the site at timebucks.com. Then you want to click on this Sign Up button here in the top right corner. Then you have the option to either sign up with your Facebook account, or you can sign up manually by putting in your email address and a password. Once you've done that and checked the I'm not a robot box, go ahead and click on the Sign Up Now button. That'll take you to this agreement here where you can read the terms of service and privacy policy. So just click on I agree. Now the first thing that you'll see is surveys. There are actually quite a few different earning methods on here that you can check out, such as surveys, tasks, referrals, and offer walls. But for now, I want to focus on watching ads. So let's click on Content. And you'll be asked here to fill out your profile information, so I'm just quickly going to do that by putting in my details, such as my name, my address, and so on. Once that is done, you can see that you'll be here on your dashboard, and you'll be able to see other people in your region who have recently completed tasks on TimeBucks, which is very encouraging. So to find tasks to complete, you just have to click on this Earn tab up here, and we're going to click on the Content tab again. You can see three options here: click, engage, and push clicks. For the click options, you can see the details here where it specifies that you will get paid to click on links from advertisers, and details such as only being able to view one ad at a time. And below that, you can see the total offers available as well as the money available to earn. And under that, you have the ad title and the payout for viewing that ad. It also specifies how long you need to view the ad for in order to get paid. So let's take this ad title as an example. You can simply click on View for one of the ad titles and it will bring up the ad, and then you'll just scroll through and browse around a little until the time is up. And then when you go back to TimeBuck, just refresh the page and you'll see right at the top here that you've been credited the amount assigned to the task of watching the ad. And you actually also get a bonus for signing up, which is awesome. Now, once you do enough tasks to have at least $5 show up here in your earnings, then you'll be able to withdraw your money in the form of crypto. To make sure that you get paid, you just have to verify your ID, and you also need to head over to Settings, then Payment Method, and you can see here from the drop-down menu the different ways in which you can get paid, whether it's PayPal, Skrill, Litecoin, and so on. So you can select your preferred payment method, and TimeBuck will automatically send you a payment every Thursday weekly if you're over the $5 threshold, without you having to actually manually click on withdraw every time. Now, TimeBuck doesn't pay you a huge amount of money, but it is so easy, so fast, and pays more than most other sites out there that are similar to this. So I would definitely recommend that you use this if you're a complete beginner looking to get into crypto without spending a dime. But I also have another website up my sleeve that I want to show where you can earn Bitcoin for absolutely free. You definitely want to stick around for this, because if you use this site as well as TimeBuck, the amount of crypto you can earn every week and month is awesome. Website 2, CoinTiply. CoinTiply is a great site because it specializes in crypto rewards like TimeBuck. It's a get-paid-to site and you can join from most countries. Let me take you through CoinTiply here. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to the website at cointiply.com. Immediately you can see that over $12 million worth of Bitcoin has been paid out, which is crazy impressive. If you scroll down, you can learn more about CoinTiply and the process of making crypto money here. For now, let's sign up. So at the top here under Earn Free Bitcoin, you just need to put in your email address and then put in your first name and create and confirm your password. What's awesome is that they actually give you a bonus of 1,000 coins just for signing up, which is pretty sweet. Once you put in your details, you just need to confirm that you're not a robot here. Tick the I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy box, and finally the sign up button. Make sure to check your email now to verify your account, and then you can come back here where you'll see what's on offer. So just like TimeBuck, there's actually many different ways that you can earn crypto. But for the sake of this video, we'll focus on ads. If you scroll down here, you can see paid to click, or PTC ads. So go ahead and click on that. Here you can see all the different ads to view, as well as how long you need to view them for, and the amount of coins that you'll earn from viewing the ad. Let's click on this one as an example. We're just going to click on view and stay on this page for the time that was specified. Once you've viewed the ad, you go back to Cointiply, and they'll ask you to pick an image just to verify that you actually did watch the ad. So go ahead and click the correct image that they're asking for. Once you do that, your response gets recorded. Hit refresh, and then you'll see the amount of coins that you earned up here in the top right corner. It will also show you the amount in USD as well as Bitcoin, which is great. The payment threshold on Cointiply is $32 to $5, depending on the cryptocurrency that you choose to be paid in. Let me show you the different withdrawal options. You just need to click here on the arrow next to your name in the top right corner, and then click on Withdraw. Over here, you can read through the detailed information and you can see your different payment method options. You can withdraw to your Bitcoin, Doge, Dash, and Litecoin wallets. If you click on Withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet, you can see here that you just need to put in your Bitcoin wallet address and put in the amount that you want to withdraw. Note that you need 50,000 coins to withdraw from your Bitcoin wallet, which is the equivalent of $5. If you don't already have a cryptocurrency wallet, it's super simple to set one up. You can go ahead and check out the recommendations that Cointiply has. If you use Cointiply as well as TimeBucks, stay consistent with watching ads and also check out the other ways to make money on these websites, as well as other similar websites. Then you can earn a very good amount of crypto money. If you have any specific questions and want to learn more, don't forget to leave a comment. I'll actually be going through more websites and other ways to earn crypto in future videos, so be sure to subscribe, drop this video a like, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.